So here I'm going to be demonstrating our device's play live function. So we're going to enter in the switch value that corresponds to play live, which is 3, and then we enter in our sensor value, which is going to correspond to the note we want to play. As you can see, when we enter in that sensor value, it'll play that note, turn the valve on, which would cause water to come out, and light up the LED that corresponds to that note that's being played. And so here I'm just going to continue that process to show that our play live function is working properly. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate our record and play functionality. So first I'm going to enter in the switch value for record, and then I'm going to enter in the sensor value, which corresponds to one of 8 notes. So I'm just going to continue that process until I've played each of the notes that I've wanted to play. And now I'm going to play back each of the notes that I just recorded. And so for each note that's being played, the water valve is being turned on, that's corresponding to that note, and the LED that's corresponding to that note also gets turned on. Then once we reach the end of our recording, we loop back around and play it from the start. So now I'm going to demonstrate our ability to append to a recording. So I'm just going to go ahead and record some notes. Then I'm going to play those notes back. That was just note 1 and note 2. Now I'm going to go back and record a note 3 and record a note 4 and then play back the whole thing. So now since it's appended, we should play back note 1, note 2, and then note 3 and note 4. If I want to append some more, I can just go back into record, add in a note 5, then I'll play that back and show that it's appended. So now we played note 1, note 2, note 3, note 4, and note 5. Now I'm going to show our stop, reset, and idle state. First, I'm going to start out with recording some notes. I'm going to play the recording just to make sure that the notes have been properly recorded. Now I'm going to go from my play recording mode to reset. So when I reset, everything turns off, the device enters idle mode, and the current recording gets deleted. Now when we try to go back and play, you'll see that it automatically loops back because our recording's been deleted. Now I'm going to go ahead and record some more notes so I can demonstrate how stop works. Now I'm going to stop the device. And so when you go into stop, you enter the idle state. So the speaker turns off, the LED turns off, and the valve will turn off. Then I'm going to go from stop to play recording. And as you can see, it still plays.